Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 2 of let me fix this real quick. There we go. Part 2 of foldable number 1, or sorry, foldable number 2. And for this one we have x cubed is equal to 1. First things first, we're going to try to get everything equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 1 to both sides, leaving us with x cubed is minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have this, and if you remember from the Cornell notes and from the previous stuff, this is actually going to be a difference of 2 cubes. So this is actually, I'll write it up here again, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So the first thing we have to do is establish our a and our b. For this one, our a is pretty simple. Our a is going to be x, and then it's going to be cubed. And actually, this one's pretty simple too. It's just going to be 1 cubed for our b. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite this here. So our a is going to be x minus 1 times x squared plus x times 1 plus 1 squared. When we simplify, this is just x minus 1 times x squared plus x minus 1 or plus 1 equals 0. This still equals 0 here too actually. Alright, now we can go ahead and this one already can be solved. We have our x minus 1 equals 0. Add 1 to both sides. We have x is equal to 1. First answer done. But then we have this one over here. So we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can factor it. 1 and 1. Ooh, that's not going to work, because the only numbers that multiply equal 1 are 1 and 1, but you can't add that in any way or form to get a positive 1 as well. So this does not work. That means we're going to go ahead and use our x is equal to negative b, which is 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times, everything's 1, a times c, all over 2 times 1, because we have a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. This is going to give us negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4, all over 2. Well, it's going to be negative 1 plus or minus square root negative 3 over 2. The negative will come out as an I, so this will equal negative 1 plus or minus I square root 3 over 2. And that means our zeros are going to be equal to 1 and negative, or 1 plus or minus I square root 3 over 2.